Hello and a very warm welcome to Soros Sir's classes. Today's tutorial will be on microeconomics. In case of any query, you can contact us on this particular number, and if you wish to know more about us, you can check in our website. In today's tutorial, we'll be talking about cross price elasticity of demand. Now I know this is a very huge word, okay, but let us break it and understand the meaning of each particular word, and then we will combine it and we will develop the concept of cross price elasticity of demand. Now, according to law of demand, under ceteris paribus, okay, if price of a commodity increases, then the demand for the commodity falls. We know this. Now, the question is, when the price will increase, okay, by how much demand will fall? Whether it will fall more than price, whether it will fall very less, whether it will not fall, whether it will fall infinitely. This question is actually answered by the concept of elasticity. Okay? Now, what is cross price elasticity of demand? When you say cross price, that means if there are two goods X and Y, and if you are referring to the price of good X, then you will comment on the quantity demanded for good Y. So this is cross price. You are taking the price of one commodity. So it actually means that under taking the price of one good, we will be commenting on the quantity demanded for other good. So if we want to write it in words, then cross price elasticity of demand means that it is a measure of the responsiveness of demand. Responsiveness of the demand for one good. This is the demand for one good, and in our case it is good Y, to a change in the price, to a change in the price of another good, and another good means that it is, for our case, it is good X. Okay? So now the concept of cross price elasticity of demand is clear. Now let us check for the sign of the cross price elasticity. Okay? Now we know, let us consider substitutes good. Now what are substitute goods? Substitute goods are those goods that will satisfy the same type of demand. Satisfy same type of demand. Okay, so that's why they can be used in place of one another. So let us take two substitute goods, say coffee and tea. Now, so tea. Now say this is the price of coffee, this is the quantity demanded of coffee. Say this is the price of tea and this is the quantity demanded of tea. Now, when the price of the coffee increases, according to law of demand under ceteris paribus, the quantity demanded for coffee will fall. Okay? Now, because the price has increased, people will try to substitute coffee with the cheaper good, which is tea. So people move away from costly good and look for cheaper goods. So cheaper, tea is relatively cheaper now. So the quantity demanded for tea will increase. Now so it is cross price elasticity. So we need to check the price of coffee and the quantity demanded of tea. price of one good, quantity demanded of another good. So the price elasticity formula is given by and this into P del P. This is the price elasticity formula. Now we know the change in quantity is demanded is also, the change is also moving in the same direction, it is increasing, and the change in price is also increasing. Whereas price and quantity are already in positive numbers, the change is also moving in the same direction. So the cross price elasticity, it will be cross price elasticity of demand for substitute goods will be positive. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.